What's good, y'all? I'm back at it with another video for y'all this week, another colorful look. I'm gonna start off with these glow drops again. These are my favorites now that it is warm. I want to look as golden, supple, and unbothered as possible, so these have been my go-to. I'm creating a liner with creamy beige concealer by LA Girl, just making a liner that I would make if I had some liquid. After that dried, I'm filling it in with this pink, and then I'm gonna outline that pink with some black liner. Now I put some lashes on, and I'm going in with LA Girl Fawn concealer, of course, and I'm putting this on all my highlighted areas, making sure it's blended. Now I'm going in with this Ruby Kisses contour duo, and I'm contouring my face and then setting with this Maybelline loose setting powder and making sure everything's nice and locked in. I let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm brushing it all the way, making sure I'm nice and seamless before going in with my setting spray. I do this to take away the powderiness. It makes my skin look like skin instead of powder. Now after that dried, I'm putting some blush on and some highlight. I love this look so much. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm wiping off my lips, aligning them with some brown liner, and putting on this mauvey peachy lip gloss. I forgot the name, but everything will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.